Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be telling you people how to use Google Keyword Planner to boost your search rankings and to reach the right audience. For that purpose, let's go on to Google Keyword Planner. Before that, what Google Planner basically is, Google Keyword Planner is a free tool offered by Google Ads that helps users research and discover keywords related to their businesses or website. It gives data on search volumes, competition levels, and cost per click estimates for different keywords, trying to make it easy and useful for planning and optimizing online advertising campaigns. So this is the interface of the Google Keyword Planner. It would give you two options, whether to discover new keywords or to get the search volumes and forecast. You would be choosing discover new keywords. It will again give you two options, whether you want to start with keywords or you want to start with the website of your competitor who has already used keywords in his website. We would be choosing a keyword, which is virtual assistant. So these are the keywords which have been found by relevance. It mentions virtual assistant services, virtual personal assistant, hire virtual assistant, real estate virtual assistant, virtual assistant companies, virtual secretary. In this tab, it is telling you about the average monthly searches per keyword. Like for virtual assistant services, the average monthly searches are 100 to 1000. There is no year on year change. The competition is very low, and the top of page bid is 974 pkr. So now we have to further scrutinize the keywords. For that purpose, we can go on to refine keywords. We can refine keywords by a brand or non-brand. So supposedly, you people are looking for freelancers, Upwork, Fiverr, Indeed, Craigslist. The sites which you don't use, you can put them off, like Craigslist. You can search by company as well. You can narrow it down even further.